Milk Frother, Aicook high-end milk steamer for hot and cold milk froth. With double wall, Strix controlled, non-stick, silent operation for cappuccino, hot chocolate, latte, coffee. Rich creamy foam at a touch, you can enjoy dense unfluffy milk foam than other milk frothers. Its Strix system is more advanced and rigorous, can make the most suitable milk foam according to the difference of milk by temperature sensing, ensured the texture and original flavor of foam and milk, always heats the milk to an excellent temperature. Exclusive design, it is the most complete milk frother on the market, making up for the defects of other milk frothers. Quiet operation, rapid foaming within 1 minute, more powerful than the ordinary milk frother, 4 functions vs 2 functions, the only one that also features a high-end lighting base and a soft silicone scraper. Quality configuration, easy to clean, advanced silicone scraper is safer and softer. You can use it to extract milk foam or clean the inner wall. With high-quality stainless steel and non-stick coating inner wall, cleaning is no longer annoying. The soft scraper will never damage the inner wall of the machine. It can extend service life. Enjoy romantic lifestyle. A romantic refined life begins with it. As the only milk frother with a large illuminated base, it not only ensures the safety of the machine, the base is more stable, but also provides a beautiful and refined experience. Independent switch control, the dim environment is not affected. Turn on the lights, romantic and fun. Great New Year's gift, the ergonomic grip and double wall design ensured a pleasant experience. Auto-off design ensures your safety. We are committed to providing our customers with the most valuable products in the market. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.